If you walk into a courtroom in New York and a case is on trial, why is it that the court officer will typically come over and ask you if you're a witness on the case? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. You know that courtrooms in New York are open to the public. These are civil cases. You go into any courtroom in New York County, in Nassau County, Kings County, which is Brooklyn, and any other county in New York, you have the ability either as a litigant or as an observer to simply walk in and sit in and watch what's going on. So now, if you walk into a courtroom, you open up the door, you walk in, there's a trial going on, there's a witness on the witness stand, there's jurors in the jury box, the judge is up there on the bench, and now you sit down in the rows behind everybody else. In all likelihood, the court officer is going to come over to you and ask you, "Excuse me, ma'am, sir, are you a witness in this particular case?" The reason why the court officer is going to do that is because witnesses are not permitted to be in the courtroom when other testimony is going on. And there's a key reason for that. The court, the attorneys, the litigants don't want the witnesses to get swayed by testimony they hear from other witnesses in the case. They don't want the witness to now sway their testimony or become influenced by testimony that they are listening to in anticipation of them getting up on the witness stand to now go ahead and tell what it was that they observed. So that is why the court officer wants to make sure that you are not a witness in that particular case. And by the way, if you are a witness in that case, the court officer is simply going to ask you to wait outside until it's your turn to be called into court and now testify. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in the litigation process when you're in court. And you'll see this happen over and over again, either as a litigant or as an observer. You know, I realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.